camera ready.
You're still in your work clothes. So everyone always does a German candy review or like snack review, which we have too. But we really wanted to review some German beers because it's beer.
We want to see if the hype is real. German beer is supposed to be the best beer. So we wanted to give our own review, our 5-star review. Kind of see some of the things that everybody drinks on the streets and some stuff that we picked up. We went to our local beverage
Getränkmarkt. Drink market.
Right. And
Thanks, Reva.
Yeah, we picked up well, I'm sure we're gonna do this again. So we picked up like I don't know, like 6 beers that we're gonna do, 6 or 7 beers, maybe not even that much, but I'm sure we'll do this again and get different ones. But
we don't know like really popular beers in Germany because we haven't really gone anywhere. We have no German friends to tell us, hey, this is like a common beer to drink. We don't know like a basic, like what is like the German equivalent of Coors Light?
Bitburger.
Probably. There's a lot of those out there. So if you're German or you're familiar with German beer, throw us some comments and tell us like, hey, this is really popular and it's good. Because we really don't want to drink bad beer.
Yeah.
So please keep in mind that this is stuff that we just picked out on the shelves because we don't know. So we just want to try some. So today we're trying, go for it.
Schöfferhofer Weizenmix. What's the O with the dots? What's
Sure, it's a you gotta do it with your lips.
Schöfferhofer Weizenmix.
It's grapefruit beer.
It's grapefruit beer. Grapefruit soda with beer.
It's 2.5% alcohol. So really it's...
Look folks, we're starting off light here. We can't go all night drinking, 10% alcohol.
Beer is a pretty loose...
All the other ones are going to be just straight beers. We're going to try it.
All right, well, let's see.
Go, ready?
Ooh, this one was 89 euro cent at Aldi. Aldi sells alcohol here. And then we have to pay a 25-cent fund on it. But we get that back when we return it because we paid for it. So we're going to get it back. So, all right.
Prost. Smells like grapefruit.
Tastes like a grapefruit beer. We really like this beer. It's called Stiegl Radler, and it's a grapefruit beer. We buy it in the States. Have you seen it here?
No, I haven't seen it here.
I have it. It's Stiegl. I'm pretty sure is it German or is it Austrian?
I don't know.
Anyways, so like
Leave a comment below. I don't know.
Every grapefruit beer that we try now will compare to that. This is pretty close.
This one's pretty good. Like it's a good
summer day drinker.
Summer day drinker.
Like it's a nice Saturday afternoon.
By the pool, hot day.
Balcony.
On the balcony.
We don't have a pool. Oh yeah, you can drink at the pools here.
You can drink on the street. Yes, Weizenmix. Not bad.
We'll definitely buy this one again.
5 stars out of the 5 stars. Let's do a 5-star review. What do you think of this one?
Well,
can't go too high because we got like 6-7 more beers left. So.
I mean, if you're looking to get tanked, this is not the beer for you.
Oh no, 2.5%.
You're gonna have to drink 20 of these.
I don't think I could drink 20 of these.
I don't even think I would feel it after one.
Don't drink and drive. It's the only thing that's in. Oh, that and grapefruit is the only thing that's in English. Just so you know.
Unless grapefruit is grapefruit in Deutsch.
Leave a comment.
Stupid.
All right.
I give it 4 out of 5 because it tastes good to drink.
You know what? I'll probably go high on this one too because it tastes good. So I'd go 4.
I think it's reasonable. It's cheap. I mean, because this is like a tall can.
Yeah, anything like a beer.
It's a half liter.
Anything that's $1.
Don't ask me how many ounces that is, but it's a half liter for 89 euro cent, which is just over $1.
Yeah.
For a beer, which isn't bad at all.
No.
4 out of 5 stars. I think it's
4 out of
reasonable.
5. Yeah, I mean, I don't. Yeah, I mean.
Taste.
Taste is good.
Price.
Price is good. The amount is good. I mean, the alcohol level is not that great because I like it a little stronger, but yeah.
It's good. Es ist gut.
Schaufelhofer. Prost.